Very good afternoon, everyone. I, Assistant Professor Gauri Deshpande from P.R. Patil Institute of Engineering and Research. My registration number is OTL 0257. Now, today I'm here just to say some thoughts about the FDP programs, or the summary of the faculty development program. Actually, this program is of 5 days, and total session in 5 days we are attended, that is 14 sessions. Every session is very important and giving some essential information regarding the challenges during teaching learning processes. Actually, from the starting we are getting an important information about the challenges in teaching learning process. See, which type of challenges we learn here? Right from the students up to the teacher, everyone, even the parents also, all the three corners of the triangle are in trouble in this teaching learning process, because no one are confident about the online teaching. But we have to make, or we have to generate this confidence in every corners of this triangle. And for that, what we have to do, that can be tell us by various important section which is conducted by the invitees. So, which type of challenges student faced? That is internet problem, smartphone availability, availability of electricity in the rural areas. Then, how does every teachers can conduct their session, clarity of the material, confidence of the teacher, various teaching skill, all these are the importance and a basic challenges during the teaching learning or online teaching learning process. Okay. One challenge is also there. There is a lack of knowledge about the online teaching learning tools which is available in so many sources or major sources. So every teachers have to be aware about the all the tools which is available and have to understand all the tools very clearly. For that, they can attend various FDP program, they can upgrade their knowledge and do a proper efforts to understand and use of these online teaching learning tools. With that, every teachers have to develop their own skill of teaching, because the teaching process can be totally different than the classroom teaching, and all these things can be understand during this session. Even the online laboratory practical methods, that also can be learned during this session. So all these 14 sessions up to 10th of May is very important for us and giving an enormous knowledge regarding the online teaching learning process. So I am very grateful here that I have getting the chance to get express or my summary about this FDP, yani faculty development program. So thank you very much. I appreciate all the organizing committee for such a wonderful efforts and conduction of this FDP program. Thank you so much. Thank you.